Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I am in Australia and I am hot. Sorry about that, I'm always telling you that, aren't I? But you know what, because that's what it's like here. And then maybe a bit further down the track, hopefully I'll get cool and I'll be able to say, Jesus, I'm cool today. I've got another envelope and this one is from Christine Harris. Thank you so much, Christine. You are very kind to participate in my challenge, and I love your little thing with the name on. It's got a pussycat picture on there. Oh, look at this. Here's a snippet of fabric. Congratulations on your 5-year. Well done. Be happy and be crafty. Christine Harris. Thank you so much. I really love this. I really do. Look, it's got a lady on it. Look at that. Oh, where did you find this? Oh, isn't that good? I'm going to put a video of the things that I've been making, you know, because I haven't done anything on the tutorial yet, but I want to show you a couple of things that I've done. Probably won't get back in again till after the weekend. Might have tomorrow to do. I've got to do some stuff tomorrow, so maybe hopefully Monday I might be able to do something on here. I can't say because you never know with things going on. You know, you never know what's going to happen. Somebody's going to visit, or you get held up with something in life, and I'm sure people understand life and things that go on. I love these. I love them little people pictures. Aren't they beautiful? I love, and the little dresses and things like that. They're cool, aren't they? I love paper dolls. I've had loved paper dolls since I was little. Maybe I'll make a paper doll dress book too. Thank you very much, Christine. I really appreciate that, darling, and I appreciate the fact that you're one of my subbies as well. Everybody, I appreciate you all, and I love all of you because you're so kind to me, and you have blessed me so much with all this beautiful stuff, and I am so grateful. And I'm going to see what I can't do to get one of these things ready so I can have more prize for you, if I can. I'll have to see how I go. So I'll talk to you later, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.